Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Beef and Barrel. I'm Glenn.
And I'm James, and we're going to make the best bacon double cheeseburger you're ever going to taste.
Let's do this.
What happened, James?
What happened, James? What happened, James?
Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for the bacon double cheeseburger. The best bacon double cheeseburger you're ever going to taste. So, come in, let's have a look at what we've got here. So we've got 5 rashers of streaky bacon. We've got 2 red Leicester slices and 2 cheddar slices here. 2 brioche buns. We've got a bowl which we're going to use for making the mincemeat. Salt and pepper mixture. Now here is the special ingredient. This is the barbecue sauce that we're using. I'm using this brand here, but I'm mixing it with some honey JD. Now you can make it as strong as you like, but what I tend to do is, you know, you taste as you go. I start off with 4 teaspoons of this and then add maybe 2 teaspoons of that in. Obviously over 18s, so be careful with the old JD stuff. Okay, so the mincemeat, the most important bit. We have got Angus beef here. This is 15% fat Angus beef. This is 25% normal steak, normal mince that you'd get from the supermarket. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is probably do 1/3 25% fat and 2/3 of the Angus beef. We're going to mix it together. All right. Okay, so we're going to start with the 25% full, well, the bigger fat. So we're going to get 1 ball of that, split that directly in half, and we're probably going to make two of these balls the same. So a similar sort of size per patty. That's roughly. You can use a measure, obviously, but I'm only going by my eyes at the moment. So now you've found the amount that you need. Add a bit more. Why not? Why not add a bit more? Why not? So let's mix this together. Let's get that mixture going. And once you feel happy with that, in fact, I think I might add a bit more. Why not? So I'm going to a bit more of the Angus beef because I feel like 2 patties are going to be quite big. I want to make this burger something worth remembering. So I'm going to make a little bit more. There we go.
The juicier the burger, the better the burger.
Yes. You kill the fat, you kill the burger. So let's get this a good mixture in. Let's get all the meat mixed up there. There we go. Right, we're ready. So let's find one. Let's see if I can get a bit more of the patty in there. Oh, look at that. Are these similar sized? Are these similar sized? Because what I'm going to probably do is let me use that. I'm going to use that board that we used for the bacon. So I'm going to bring that over to me. Let's give you a nice, lovely shot of that bacon. Look at that bacon. Right. So are these roughly the same size? I'd say they're pretty much similar sized, aren't they? That's the thing. You just got to guess. You can't be like exact because there's no fun in being exact. You always want a little surprise. That's one thing I've always noticed. A nice little surprise. Try these different things. I didn't know about the barbecue sauce. I tried it on my burger the other day. It blew my mind. So don't be afraid to try stuff. But I would only recommend probably the JD because it's quite a sweet whiskey. So you could go for a bit of a drier whiskey, but it probably won't have the same effect as the honey JD. So
to be fair, he banged on about this this sauce for so long, and I tried it, and it blew my mind. I was so happy with it.
So here we go. Right, so I've done a little bit of a squishing around. You don't want to squeeze the mince too tight because otherwise it condenses all the juices inside, and we don't really want that. We do want them a little bit of air to escape. So there we go. There we have it. 2 wonderfully beautiful patties. Nice. I actually don't know how much that weighs in total, but never mind. We just got to guess.
It looks like a little happy, and it looks like a little happy smiley face.
It does indeed. So that is mucky part done. Let's go get cooking.
Let's get to cooking. We lost the burger. Yeah, mate. Whoa. Funny, won't they find some more then?
Oh no. What happened, James?
What happened, James? What happened, James?
We're gonna have to work with it. It's what happens when burger making.
And don't forget to season with some salt and pepper.
This side. Yeah.
Are you ready? Oh, there's extra cheese for deliciousness. We'll add these bits in, why not? Crispy cheese. And then we're going to add our barbecue sauce all over the top.
James, that looks unreal.
With the topper. Perfection.
I am looking forward to this so much. Look at that juice.
Look at the sauce.
Ah, cheers.
Cheers. Is it as good as you thought it was going to be?
Oh my god. You get that smokiness, the saltiness from the bacon.
The JD-ness from the sauce.
Yeah, you definitely get that JD in that.
The bacon and
JD honey.
yeah.
Gives it that sweetness.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh, I'm so glad we made this first.
Is that nice? Oh, what did you say?
I'm speechless.
I'm getting it all down me, my beard. Oh, I'm all over my hands.
Speechless.
This is the best
Bacon double cheeseburger I think I've ever had.
ever. Easy, hands down.
Look, it's in his beard.
I'm sorry for talking with my mouth open.
When a burger goes in your beard, you know it's good.
I don't care, I'll watch it. And character. And character.
Actually.
Mate, make this. And let us know how you get on in
You
the
will
comments.
not be disappointed.